CURRID Family Farms, Puniac Springs, Florida, steers and heifers, 70-1, 70-2. CURRID Family Farms, 70-1 will be a load of steers. Delivery will be toward the end of September, 1st of October. They've got to get them up and weigh them. And they've had them weaned since back in May, so there'll be more yearlings than weaned calves. 70-2 will be a load of heifers. These cattle are improving. You just got we got to sort through them and get the biggest, best cattle. CURRID Family Farms. Philip and Phil and Jordy. They've been selling several years now in the safe sale. They raise a few purebred Angus bulls and a few semi-Angus bulls. Put in the Florida, University of Florida bull test down in Greenwood, Florida. CURRID Family Farms. 70-1, 70-2. Cattle are out on grazing. They're getting a 60, 20, 20. Again, what is it, Phil?
60 soybean hulls,
60% soybean hulls, 20% corn, and 20% distiller's grain. CURRID Family Farms, Puniac Springs. Be one load of steers and one load of heifers. Again, they'll be more like yearlings. They were weaned back in March, so they'll back in May. They'll have 125, 150 days on them. CURRID Family Farms. CURRID Family Farms to Puniac Springs. This particular group of calves here, out of 44 farms, Angus bulls. Base and pay weight, son. Got plenty of grass. He's been feeding 6 pounds per head per day, but he's going to up it to about 10. Still make them eat grass. CURRID Family Farms. 70-1 will be the steers. 70-2 will be the heifers. We'll have the weights and all before the sale. And the actual 4 or 5 days delivery. And exactly how many days, which they should have over 90 plus days. CURRID Family Farms, Puniac Springs, Florida. CURRID Family Farms, Puniac Springs, Florida. Steers and heifers, 70-1, 70-2. It'll be mostly black, white face, a few reds. This brown calf here we'll pull out. Yeah, really a nice set of number 1 muscle, medium and large frame, steers and heifers. Sired by Angus and semi-Angus bulls, out of Angus and few semi-Angus cross females. CURRID Family Farms, Puniac Springs, Florida. Next two will be the load of Heifers. They'll get them weighed and we'll get figured out the weight and the delivery on them. We'll have it in time for 40 sale. CURRID Family Farms, CURRID Family Farms, the Puniac 70-1, 70-2. Again, really a nice number one muscle meat, the large frame steers and heifers. Sired by Angus bulls and semi-Angus out of Angus and semi-Angus cows. CURRID Family Farms, the Puniac Springs, Florida.